Alright guys, I only got 2 minutes, but I wanted to show you that I'm doing the seat belts. I already did that side. It kind of broke, you see there. These are real brittle, but what I wanted to show you is there's a lot of junk behind it. What the hell? A lot of stuff had fallen out, like all trash like that. Like just super old. So I got a torque spit and everything. But yeah, I'm putting new ones in. And let me show you the new ones. So this is the new one, guys. This one bolts down there. I gotta move this. It's right there. So I bolt that down. This goes in the, this goes right there. It's a new one of these. I even got the lap belt, and the other one is falling in there. I gotta take out the seat to put those, to put these in there, to put this in there. But this one I'm doing now, because yeah, it's easy. It's just, you bolt it on. You know, let's see. Just like that. And then you just screw it in. But I don't got that much time on my phone. And that's the clicker and everything. And I got this, but the thing that I got from LMC trucks, because everything's from LMC trucks, I had to cut it on the side because there was no way this is gonna fold in here, so I had to cut it on this side and slide it in, guys. But that's all I wanted to do and show you guys. I got all the tools over there to do it. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.